Hello everyone, it's Michał from Trackdesk, and today we are again at our release overview, most important functionalities that were published on Trackdesk in the past few weeks. Let's get right to it. And starting off with the first very important, huge thing that we've got, finally, Offer API. It means that you can conduct any action that you would normally do through the dashboard. Right now, it's possible to do via API. So adding description restrictions or uploading thumbnail to your offer, adjusting revenue and payout settings, uploading creatives, adjusting landing pages, setting up caps for offers. All of that is right now possible via API. It also means that you can use our MCP server, connect your Cloud account or Cursor account with the MCP server, and with simple prompts, you can steer your Trackdesk account with all API options that we are having. If you need more detail about it, if you are a tech freak, we've got everything described in our developers portal, so you can read about all functionalities that are right now available via API. Second feature, and we are still on offer settings. If you go to integrations, tracking codes, before, if you wanted to build a custom script, you would need to be either advanced developer or you would need to ask for our help. Of course, we are super responsive, but it always saves some time if you can do something yourself than wait for our reply. Right now, we've got a solution. So you can build custom scripts using our tool. It's super simple to use. Regarding click setup, you can the script gets adjusted depending on your input. If you want to use any parent domain, if you want to add a callback function, but the real magic starts with conversion tracking script, because here, using all additional parameters that we can track, for example, sales amount, external ID, customer ID, or some additional parameters, the script is adjusted. All you need to do is to copy paste it on your website and everything will be tracked properly. Super easy. We are making your life simple. Another feature that we got for you is affiliate postback tester. Let's say that one of your affiliates, or maybe you, for your internal purposes, you would like to send conversion data somewhere externally to some third-party tracker, any tool that you would like to use. You can simply set up the postback using our AI helper. Once it's ready and you would like to test it out if it works correctly, right now you don't need to send actual conversion. We can test it for you. You just need to choose postback that you want to test, copy paste the tracking link, and just like that, we'll send a request. We'll see if we got anything back, and you will know if some adjustments are needed or postback was configured correctly. So a very easy thing to use. I highly recommend you to check it out if you are using affiliate postbacks on a daily basis. Another big thing that we've got for you, configurable dashboards and reports. Right now, in settings, in dashboard and reports, you can configure layout of the main dashboard for your affiliates, for your affiliate managers, or for your admins. All you need to do is to choose which role you would like to configure dashboard for. Just like that, you can adjust the widgets, you can change their size, you can change the order, you can hide the widgets that are not needed, save the layout, and in such form, it will always wait for your affiliates or affiliate managers when they log into the platform, so they don't need to adjust it. They are ready to work on making the money. Same applies to reports. Right now, you can configure reports for each of the roles. You can adjust which columns you would like to show, which columns you would like to hide, because they're not relevant, what metrics are most important, so you would like to see them right away. And just like that, you can save this view, and report like that will always wait for your affiliate managers or admins so they can see most important data immediately. Last but not least, we've got multiple small improvements. like filtering your affiliates based on payment method type, like rejection email. Let's say affiliate applies to be a part of your program or network, but for some reason you had to reject them. Right now you can also customize the rejection email. You can also add country right away when registering affiliate on their behalf by filling out the form. You can do the same using API. Full list of recently released features will be linked down below. Make sure to check it out because there are lots of improvements. And if you have any questions, of course, you can always ask. You can reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you. See you next time.